Magnets are what brings it together. Magnets, I know, more magnets. Will we ever be free of magnets? Frenchie Company. Nice tightly knit cotton bag. Let's open this up. Not the typical Frenchie packaging that we see, which includes their box. We'll set that aside, and here we go. This is the 2-in-1. Not too bad, actually. Brown interior, red exterior. Also comes in 12 more colors. Quite the selection. Let's look at the sewing very quickly, or really quickly here. Seems to be done fairly well. Not a lot of super concerns there. We open this up, and I kind of like this function here. We can see that we have some tight sewing around the magnetic portions here, and we'll discuss that. So, simple, but let's go. It's a 2-in-1, not a 2-for-1. Here we go, major feature. Right here in the interior, we pull this back, assist in opening it, and we see, well, there we go, holds up to 12 notes, folded once. And the magnets are what holds it together. Magnets are what brings it together. Magnets, I know, more magnets. Will we ever be free of magnets? Additionally, on the interior, we see that it is molded here for an AirTag that, like their other wallets, it actually inserts in here very nicely. You just push it in here. You know what, why don't we do that? We have an AirTag. You can see how we push it here. And let's see if we can get this in here. There you go. And it fits. You can see that you have that little wart that's there, but that's what's expected. And it doesn't really interfere. You can see how the magnets are independent and they function just like I showed you right here. This folds back. And if we get to the bottom here, you can see that that also folds back. So it's not dependent, and thus it's able to operate independently. And this is also an accessory for a wallet. This actually wraps around. We have the 2.0 wallet here, and so this is how it works. We want to put it on this side. So being that it's magnetic, it just slips on the inside, connects this way, and now you have a AirTag enabled speed wallet without having to, well, buy the AirTag version if you're okay with this. And cash goes here and lays over here. It is kind of a bit of a wrap there as a trifold, so it works just fine. So really not too bad. It measures 3.14 by 1.9 by 0.36, and it weighs 1.1 ounces or 31 grams, like this, not with the wallet. So let's see what it can do. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. All right. That's really all it can do. Oh wait, there's that wallet thing. I got 13 slips of cash in there. The company makes no recommendation on the number of notes, but you know, everything just folds once and you can get at it any way you want. A lot of diverse currency in here, so not that big of a problem. All right, designed and made in Colombia. This is made from a full grain veg tanned Italian leather. And as we saw, this is machine sewn, okay? And it's sewn, this is the solid piece of metal here in the back, and then we have the two separate pieces right here in the front that gives us some flexibility, like we talked about, and being able to open it like this, but it also provides greater flexibility around the AirTag, so it doesn't really interfere when you're trying to make sure this clamps and you're getting cash in and out. And it's sewn directly around the magnets right here. It really helps assist with that. It is not sewn here, because that's where we have the fold point. And as we can see, there also has painted edges on this, which is a nice touch. Has a 30-day free trial with a 5-year guarantee on all the Frenchie Company products they sell. As of this recording, this is priced for $49. Now let's see the wallet thingy. Now the 2-in-1 should be clear from now. Operation is very simple. You use it as a standalone money clip that we talked about, or you attach it to a speed wallet that isn't already AirTag enabled. And it's easily done just by going like that. Now, due to magnets that are in this, this is really not suitable to carry cards along with your cash. That's just not going to work very well. And there are no concerns about the magnets interfering with the AirTag. The magnets are at the top and the bottom, and so they're really not in direct contact with the AirTag itself. Nicely done in creative thinking about what can be done with something as simple as a money clip. Now on to the final score. For quality of 4, price of 2, just over the line for me for something like this. Features of 4, the ability to support an AirTag and attach to a wallet, I think is a great dual option. Usability of 4, very nicely designed to be able to handle that in how you function with it. And perception of 4, I really like what the Frenchie company does. And that gives us a final score of 3.6 out of 5. If you like this one, then watch this video next, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye.